trading with God man who looked poor and humble entered a blanket shop. He asked the shop owner about the cheapest blankets because he needed 6 for his family and had only $25. The shop owner replied, I have a type of blanket made in China. It's very warm and costs only $5 each. And I have a special offer. If you buy 5, you get the 6th one free. The poor man's face lit up with relief. He gave the owner $25 for 5 blankets to get the 6th one as a gift. He took the blankets happily and left the shop. After the man left the shop, Shar owner's friend, who was standing nearby, asked, "Isn't this the same blanket you told me last week was the best and most expensive one, and you sold it to me as a friend for $60? The shop owner smiled and, "Yes, that's true. I sold it to you for $60 without making any profit, but now I'm selling it at a low price as a way of giving charity to God. I want to help this poor man and his family stay warm in the coming winter. I hope God rewards me for this deed." He added, "If this man hadn't cared about his dignity, I would have given him all the blankets for free. But I didn't want to embarrass him or hurt his pride by showing him charity." This is a story about noble souls who elevate their dealings with God.